Commissioned in March 1997, and it was indigenously built at Goa shipyard, has contributed a lot as far as national maritime interest safeguarding is concerned, and I am honored that I was 8th commanding officer of the ship. This has served the nation as Indian Coast Guard for approximately 26 and a half years, and though the ship is decommissioned today, we have exploited it, Coast Guard has exploited it to the maximum, optimally. It has covered around 6 lakhs nautical miles of sailing during this period, and Coast Guard is on expansion mode and adding a number of ships in times to come, and we will be stabilizing somewhere in 200 or odd ships in our inventory as and when we stabilize.
So any new ships which are being built at different locations in India? Because
locations, as far as my knowledge goes, it is around 6 OPVs we are making, and we are also planning to acquire hovercraft. We have just concluded the contract for FPVs also, which is mid-size ships, 55 meters approximately. We have a lot of expansion plan because nation needs it. Government of India supporting us, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Generally, all the India programs is indigenous.
Sir, any plans for Goa, like hovercraft, ship for Goa?
See, that is not correct on my part to say, because I'm not from Coast Guard headquarters. Coast Guard headquarters is better to know it. I'm commanding operational region of that matter. But yes, we, as far as my knowledge goes, hovercraft are being procured by the Coast Guard.
sir, what happens?
Sangram, as you know, that it was the first ship to go across to South China Sea in Japan, as far as Japanese relationship with the Japanese Coast Guard and Indian Coast Guard are concerned. As we also know that off Gujarat coast, it has caught 600 crores worth of narcotics drug in one single operation, and achievements is long, so it will not be correct when we list out here one or two which I have told you.